We've just received this little portable vacuum by Briggy. It is a 65-watt vacuum. Can't wait to open it and look at what it looks like. So let's unbox it just now. All right. Very, very tiny, very light, of course. Let's look at the main component. So cute. Look at that. I love that. Oh, right off the bat, I can tell the actual filter is not a interchangeable filter. You could just, it's a metal filter, aluminum filter. You just clean it and reuse it, which is a good, huge plus. Let's see if there's a charge already on this. Probably not. Let's look at what else it comes with. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. So you've got the nice little station right here. You can put your things down. Perfect. Little adapters. And it will fit just like that. And then you got another adapter right here for carpets, for furniture, things like that. And of course, the USB-C charging. This is super cool. And let's look at the filter itself. How easy is that? Like I said, just clean this, boom, put it back in. Super cool. I love it. It looks like I'm going to vacuum in the future or something. This is really, really nice. Really cool. And despite its size, you just saw the suction power is actually impressive.